buzzer, bridge rectifier, transformer, LM35 transistor, resistors, capacitors, LEDs, and lighter. In this circuit, the working of this circuit, we have a transistor. It is a temperature transistor. If we apply flame on this transistor, then the temperature is increased and the buzzer will on. The buzzer will on for up to 10 seconds. If flame is continuous on this transistor, then this buzzer will continue. And the application of this circuit is in industrial area where fireworks is done. We can use this circuit in widely. This will buzzer will blow up to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it automatically off. Thank you for watching this video. Please like our video or subscribe our channel.